Well, hi everybody. Hi. It's been a while. I hope everybody is doing well and everybody is kind of, keeping it safe, happy. And we're going to do balloon juggling balls. And that's how they look like. Now, you can get big ones. This one is nice and big, as you can see. Or we can make tiny ones. Ta-da! And we're going to need a few things. Okay, so if you have them, great. If you don't have them, let's see what we can do. Okay, so I'm terrible with videos, like I said, so I'm doing my best in here. Now, if you don't have a funnel at home, okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a piece of paper and you're gonna make a cone with it. Okay, now I'm not very good doing this as well. Keep on smiling, everybody, keep on smiling. There is a way of doing this. Ha, think I did it. Okay, I got it. Look, perfect. Wait, can you see because of the light? Yeah, okay, there you go. Look, this is great. This is what I wanted, okay? Now, balloons. Best thing to do first is blow it. Why? Because it helps you on the stretch, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is this bit here. Do you see? Now, on this bit, that's what I'm going to put. The funnel. Now, if you have a funnel, believe me, it's so much easier than using a paper cone. Yes, make your life easy. We got this bit. Okay, got it? Very good. Next step. Stop. All right, filming again. Okay, so the seeds, I don't know if you can see them. There you go. So I'm using bird seeds, okay? Oh, by the way, if anyone sees spoons like this, or forks or knives, let me know. I'm missing a couple, and I would love to complete my collection, because it'd be lovely. So, cone, got this one. Seeds, we got this one. And start pouring. Okay, so we keep on filling and we keep on filling. The seeds stay stuck in here, okay? So you're gonna have to push them down a little bit and they can keep on sliding. That's really important. And we keep on filling. Ta-da! They're now filled. Okay, yes. As you can see, this is a nice size. I like this size. Last time I did this, I was foolish enough to pull it out and everything fell. Yes. So, and it happened again. So, after we do this, the thing we're going to have to do is grab a broom and tie it up. Okay? Now, the knot. A lot of people have trouble with this and it took me ages. Now, my best way is I pull it, stretch it. So, stretch, gap, and you put it inside the gap. Having those two fingers, it means just it helps you a little bit, okay? And ta-da, knot. Now, with the scissors, make sure you don't cut the knot. You don't want that, okay? Now, I'm gonna balloons again, okay? All right. And now, you're going to cut the balloon. Okay. See? Yeah, got it. Crispy. Okay. Now you're going to open it. There you go. And I just open it. Bit with the knot, looking up there. Okay. Ready? It's like putting a hat on someone. A swimming cap. Yeah. There you go. There's the little bit there. And you're going to go. Ta-da! Done. Okay? Now, some people are happy with just two. Fair enough. I don't mind at all as well. This is a good ball. I like these ones. I like this size, okay? This is the size I'm going to aim for. Told you I was a mess.